Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to fix warning or error. Your unlicensed Adobe app has been disabled. So we are using Adobe Photoshop and Adobe Premiere Pro. So when we try to open, then see this warning. So we are going to fix it using Window Defender. So you can close this. So you can open Task Manager and then end task this, or you can click on learn more and then this close auto. So it's up to you. Now we are going to open Window Defender. Now you see type here to search, so click on it. So you can write Window Defender Firewall. Now click on it. Now open and then you see advanced settings, so click on it. So we are going to create two rules. One rule in inbound and we are going to create second rules in outbound rules section. So first click on inbound. So we are using Adobe Premiere Pro, Adobe Photoshop. So you can create separate rule for each Adobe. So click on inbound. So we created Adobe Premiere rule already. Now we are going to create rule for Adobe Photoshop. Now you see new rule, so click on it. So method is same for both Adobe Premiere Pro and Adobe Photoshop. So click on new rule. Now select program, rule type and then click on next and then select this program path. So you can add your path Adobe Premiere Pro. So click on browse, or you can click on your Adobe Photoshop or Adobe Premiere Pro icon, right click and then go to properties and then you can find path and then you can add path here. So click on it. So we are in local disk C. Now click on program files and then you see Adobe, so click on it. Now you see Adobe Photoshop, so click on it. So this is our exe file. Now select and then click on open and then click on next. Now you see block the connection, enable this option. Next, domain, private, public, enable these all three. Next, so you can add name Adobe Photoshop and then click on finish. Now you see Adobe Photoshop inbound rules added. So now we are going to create one more rule for Adobe Photoshop in outbound rules. If you are using three products like Adobe Photoshop, Adobe Illustrator, Adobe Premiere Pro, so you can create separate rule for each product. One rule in inbound and another rule in outbound. Now you see Adobe Photoshop we created. Now go to outbound, so click on it. Now you see Adobe Premiere Pro rule we created. So we are going to create rule for Photoshop, new rule, program, next, all program path. Now you see example, follow this pattern. Now paste, we edit and then click on next, block the connection, next, all three options enable, next, Adobe Photoshop and then click on finish. Now you see new rule added. Now open Photoshop again. Now you see Photoshop open and we don't face any error or issue. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.